Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to make a custom welcome message on Discord server. Follow this easy and step-by-step tutorial to easily create a custom welcome message for your Discord server. First of all, open your Discord and go to the server, and now you can create a new channel for welcome. But I want to set up welcome message to this general channel. Now open a browser and type here dino.gg. So we are going to create custom welcome message using this Dino bot. Once you are in this website, click on add to server. And here we will use the free version of this bot. So under free plan, click on add to server. And here select the server where you want to add the bot and click on continue and authorize, and ensure that you are a human. And now go to your server and make sure the DynoBot have been added. Now go to the DynoBot dashboard and here click on this little arrow icon next to modules. And here scroll down and click on welcome. And here message type, select message, channel option. Click here and select the channel where you want to create the welcome message. Now in this message box, here you have to write a custom welcome message. And here we can see variables. You can use these variables in the message boxes above. So now let's write here hello, and I want to add the user variable. So here's I'm copying this variable from here and pasting it here. Hello user, welcome to this, and I want to add here server variable. So I'm copying server variable and pasting it here, and make sure to add here a colon. That's how you'll be able to add all of these variables. Once done, just click on update. So this is how we can create custom welcome message on Discord server. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.